From the misty mountains of Sikkim, a legacy unfolds. For 116 years, Inche School has been a beacon of knowledge, empowering generations to shine. Welcome as we take a walk down memory lane, reliving the milestones, the triumphs, and the spirit that has defined Inche School since 1909. Happy 116th Foundation Day, Inche School. First school established to provide modern education to the novice monks of Sikkim was the Inche Lama School or the Inche Monastic School, founded on 29th July 1909 by His Highness the 10th Chogyal Sitkyong Tulku of Sikkim. The school in its maiden year, 5 students from different monasteries of Sikkim came to Inche, including first Chief Minister of Sikkim, Kazi Lendup Dorji Khangsarpa of Rumtek Monastery. Thus, the Inche school marked its name in history by providing the Sikkimese people with their first Chief Minister of the state. The learned Lama Dejong Samdup Khangsar, Lama Ugen Tenzing Khangsarpa, was appointed as the first head Lama, principal of the school in the year 1909, and Wen Choje Rinzin as the first head Lama. Lamaism, including Buddhism, arts and astrology, formed the curriculum of teaching at the school. In 1950, English was introduced as an additional subject during the time of Chogyal Tashi Namgyal. In the year 1958 to 60 CE, the Chogyal allowed 150 Tibetan refugee students to be admitted into the school. It was also around this time that female Tibetan refugees were admitted to the school in 1958, which was a turning point in the school history, championing equality in education. In 1960, mathematics and general sciences were also introduced in the curriculum. School shifted in 1965. The Ecclesiastical Affairs Department shifted the school to the present site near Dicheling, known as the Phyayoche Lakha. This land was gifted to the school by His Highness the 12th Chogyal Palden Thendup Namgyal around 1960 to 62. In 1967, when Mr. E. G. Menon received an appointment as the first General Master of the school. In 1968, he was succeeded by Mr. Madhusudan Singh as the first principal of the school. In 1970, the school was also upgraded to classes 8 to 12. 12th October 1969. Electrical power lines were installed with the efforts of Mr. Madhusudan Singh, marking the year as Golden Jubilee year. The lighting of the switch by Her Highness Gyamochemo Hope Cook is still referred as the most eventful moment in Inche's history. In the early 90s, monastic students ceased arriving at Inche School. In the year 1973, the first CBSE batch of students, 4 in number, successfully passed the higher secondary examination from the school. The present building's foundation stone was laid down by His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama in the year 1979. His Holiness also bestowed an oral transmission of Arya Manjushri, also called Kangloma, and also offered valuable advice to the entire community of Inche. School's daily practices includes the 7 water bowls, the butter lamps, the burning of sang, start of the school with morning assembly, morning prayer,
I will student of class 7 study here to deliver a short speech on the topic importance of valuing our time.
School song Yaya Khawa, and the national anthem. The school song was composed by His Holiness Kyabje Todrupchen Rinpoche in the year 1969 during the time of the principal, Mr. Madhusudan Singh. The music was composed by the maternal uncle of His Highness, the 13th Chogyal, Wangchuk Namgyal, Kungo Samduk Phodang. Eminent personalities our school has produced over the years. Shri Kazi Lendrup Dorji Khangsarpa, 1911-12, First Chief Minister. Shri Hishe Lachungpa, enrolled in 1981, School Captain in 1985-86. Shri Mingma Norbu Sherpa, Speaker, Sikkim Legislative Assembly, Government of Sikkim, completed Class 12 in 1990. Mr. Taga Khamba, Entrepreneur, Sitco Watches. Shri Nangze Dorji Serdu, IAS, Ex-Secretary, Ecclesiastical Department, Government of Sikkim. Prominent educators associated with Inche. When Lopen Rigzin Lama, Head Lama at Inche Monastic School on 7th April 1942. When Bashi Kungo Pinsok Wangyal, a scholar. Shri Topden Lharipa, Martam Sor, alias Tashi Tsiring Bhutia. Miss Kipu Tsiring Lepcha, teacher. Teacher awardees who have made Inche proud. Mr. Tashi Tsiring Bhutia, teacher cum hostel warden, State Award 1976. Mr. Topden Lharipa, art teacher, State Award 1985, National Award 1986. Mr. Kunzang Paljor Bhutia, Bhutia teacher, National Award 1996. Mr. Lomden Bhutia, PGT Bhutia, Commendation Award 2002. Mrs. Enji Doma Bhutia, GT Arts, State Award 2018. Mr. Ugen Bhutia, felicitated by ICFI University. Mr. Ugen Bhutia, State Awardee 2023. Srimati Tsiring Lude Bhutia, PGT Hindi, Distinguished Teachers Award 2018 from ICFI University. Recipient of Commendation Certificate 2023, Ma'am Beena Devi Sharma. Shri Kinchok Zangpo Bhutia, PRT Language 2016 Nation Builder Award. Kumari Rita Mukhia, PRT 2017 Nation Builder Award. Ma'am Bhavna Gurung, Nation Builders Award 2023. Nation Builders Award 2024, Mrs. Sonu Thapa.
Mrs. Annette Tongden received State Commendation Award in 2021. Global Teacher Impact Award 2023 given to Mr. Cherian Daniel. Nation Builder Award 2022 to Mrs. Sushma Tamang.
NJ Yashaswi Guru Adarsh Award to Mr. Rajkumar Singh 2025. NJ Yashaswi Guru Adarsh Award to Mrs. Leenamit Lepcha 2025. Best Head awarded to Mr. Karma Sonam Bhutia, Principal, Inche School by Brahma Kumaris, Gangtok 2024. Our school's Alumni Association under the patronage of Shri Hishe Lachungpa has made significant contributions over the years, including the construction of the Chogyal Sitkyong Tulku statue. Notably, in 2008, our school celebrated its centenary, which was funded by former students under the guidance of Honorable MP Rajya Sabha, Shri Hishe Lachungpa. The two-day celebration was attended by numerous dignitaries, including the present Chief Minister, Shri Prem Singh Tamang, and several other esteemed guests. The Alumni Association also felicitates the toppers of the CBSE Class 10 and 12 board exams every year, awarding them cash prizes of Rs 10,000 and Rs 12,000 respectively. At present, our school's SMC body includes President Mr. Nombi Tsiring Bhutia, Chairperson Mr. Dorji Tashi Bhutia, and Vice Chairperson Mrs. Pempa Doma Bhutia, along with other members who are working collaboratively with the school for its progress and development. Significant events and achievements. Winner in Waste Management Competition 2025. First in presentation on Probiotic 2023. Alina Thapa achieves 99.36 percentile in CSIR UGC NET, qualifies for Junior Research Fellowship and PhD programs. First position in 3 kilometers Unity Run 2024 by Master Prakash Tamang. Second best in state level Kala Utsav competition in group song category 2025. Miss Adriza Mangar, Miss Teen Sikkim, and Mrs. Mingma Sherpa, Mrs. Mercantile 2023. Walkathon winner Miss Kesang Lepcha. State topper in Bhutia language Miss Diki Doma Lepcha 2022 batch. Under the leadership of the current principal Mr. Karma Sonam Bhutia, on 3rd May 2023, School Blazer as a uniform was launched for girl students, marking a significant event for the school. On 31st July 2024, our school was declared a tobacco-free school, a crucial step towards keeping our students away from the menace of tobacco. Our school received a letter of appreciation from the Office of the Chief Education Officer, Education Department, Gangtok, Government of Sikkim, for outstanding performance in Class 10 CBSE Board Exam 2025 under Gangtok District. Over the years, Inche has consistently upheld its high standards, achieving excellence in academics, sports, cultural activities, and pageants. By nurturing young minds and talents, the school continues to foster a legacy of pride and distinction, paving the way for future generations to shine. Moving forward, we aspire to rename our school Sitkyong Tulku Inche Government Senior Secondary School, paying homage to our esteemed founder. Additionally, we aim to obtain heritage status, recognizing and preserving the rich legacy and cultural significance that our school embodies. As we celebrate 116th year of foundation, we eagerly anticipate the next 116 years, brimming with excellence, compassion, and growth. The enduring legacy of Inche Tempa continues to inspire generations to come. Thank you.